Welcome back, everyone. We'll be doing an unboxing video today from our friends over at benchmarkabrasives. Huge shout out to them. They're always sending stuff for the channel. Appreciate them. There's that. So it's basically 10 of these little guys. And I believe, 10 of these little wire rods for die grinder. Or drill. I believe those guys will get right in there. Right in there. That's what I'm talking about. Right in there. As this one, I wire wheel all in there. Get nice and clean. And then, they also sent me a hat. Found out they had hats. I'm like, heck, I need a hat. I have their shirts. I don't have one of the hats. So, now I got one of their hats. Very comfy. This hat's from Lock and Loop. And, it's a Richardson hat. But, well, with that money, wire wheels, we're gonna have to make a new too. Couple screws, we're gonna have to make a new. And hang them up on the wall. Hopefully you guys can hear me. This is my new mic from 5-Core Audio or whatever the heck that name is. After my other one failed, it took weeks for me to get this one. So if it doesn't work, I'm gonna be pretty upset. But as we are enjoying our new benchmarkabrasives hat, I'm gonna be putting up these wire wells on the shelf. Like a little store in here. There's 4 of them all I can get on one thing. gonna try these out on all my dog grinders. This guy I just bought. I think I paid like $45 for it. It was having electrical issues, so I don't know if I'm gonna use it. Don't feel like getting my computer today. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and okay, so we got them all hung up. We got a new sticker. We love our stickers. Gonna add to the toolbox. Right here. Yeah, I'm sponsored by Channel Lucky, I know. Get told wow by a lot of people. But see, we already got a Benchmark Brave sticker on there, but we don't have this new looking one, so I will add it to the toolbox. There. This one's falling apart. There, so here's a little unboxing video for you guys. Later day will probably be the review video, testing video, and we'll get to use them on the die grinder, see how they perform. I haven't had a problem with any of Benchmark's products. Besides, I did have a problem with the burr, but they backed the burr up, sent me a replacement under warranty. So that's the only problem I've had in the couple of years I've used their products. So, but yeah, so. Only do reviews, even knowing they sent me this stuff. I did not have to physically pay for any of this stuff. Benchmark Braves was sent me in the last year. But I'm real. If the product's crap, I'm going to tell you. If it's good, I'm going to tell you. I can confirm the product's good. So, go check them out. Link in the description. Huge thanks to Benchmarks Abrasives. And until next time, guys, please subscribe, comment, share this video, leave a like. Tell me if you use Benchmarks Abrasives tool and how you think their tools are. Catch you on the next one. Thanks for stopping by. This is N.R.T. out.